Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. There's no need for Rata to make that comment about the football team when you were a soccer player as well, and be talking about Bafana Uti, we couldn't even organize visas for them. Rata, so petty and childish. And you behave like you don't know the problems that South Africans have all the time. Monga song black lawyers, you say something about Mandela or something that's not right. Bruh, you're an adult. Please stop. Isigaxa uNtanzi was wrongfully arrested. Ngaleso sikhathi uBrigadier Gininda uyadecide ukuthi amubophe. He arrested uNtanzi ngapha kaNongoma akana case. And that case is still nje like pending. So basically, Ntanzi was wrongfully arrested even on the Senzo Meyiwa case. But they're just like, no, he's one of the accused. Nerushaban now you're confused. Kona lapho has contradict. Hello, Amuntu. In the end, I was just like, why would he be like this now? Maybe I'm not sure. So there's even a call again now about free Ntanzi, streets guys. Ntanzi akayikhaya manje. You see, Brigadier Gininda and Mohamed are going to be arrested, guys, by PKTT, literally. Because, like, Mokhane's name is always coming out. I'm just like, the problem, it's the whole thing. It's the same as Urat. Ilamantabati, I'm untouchable. I can say whatever I want to say. You know, that's why Urat will be coming out with things like black lawyers, Mandela. Like, it's the whole thing. Judge president, who are you? Like I'm untouchable. Like actually I'm right. And Umshololo went as far as saying, why are you protecting people who are fabricating this whole situation that's happening here, who are lying? Why are you protecting them? So we are born Urat is like, yes, I can protect estates, I can protect whoever I'm protecting. You are small, you are an ant. So nje guys yabo nje abantu bazenzele kakhulu futhi abantu, and the PKTT is here. Also, I just wanted to say ukuthi Attorney Ramusipili has outdone himself. For the past 3 weeks, the people that is bringing is the people that we need. The witnesses, guys. Funny Ulushaban was taking things to other directions, but it's fine. We forgive him. Yabana, the person that he brought today, you needed the person. And he's just bringing people that I never thought he would bring. Oh, Brigadier Gininda, they're going to rot in jail. No, Mokhanbe busy fabricating evidence. Yeah. You know? Because the witness is like, hey, there is no case of unaliving anyone like Nongoma. It says your team. Imagine, guys. And then I can't afford this again. Although I just feel good this witness we didn't need, because at some stage I was just like, you know how it's been with us. It's more like Ntanzi did not unalive anyone. You have how Gininda works. You must have a lot of, you know, like you must have a long history of being a criminal. Like about a lot of like, and Ntanzi is not a criminal, guys. Please. Obviously, I mean, Attorney Ramusipili sometimes he does actually coach these witnesses. The witness was just like, so how does it happen? Ukuthi uNtanzi angaveli kaNongoma and then he appears in Gauteng. Guys, Judge Rad was just like, you know, I don't want to speak to this witness. Let me just leave him for today. And then Urata did actually come to state defense in a way, to stand up for them and be like, oh no, it's fine. It was not really gonna happen in Igwanungoma. It was gonna happen here in Boksburg. They just decided to put it here. I'm just like, bro, please stop speaking for Gininda about Namadlos. They're still alive, those people. Aturata, the magistrate in Boksburg refused for the case to go to Anongom. Guys, I mean, in those Gininda, this you can tell, you know.